Hello, everyone in sixth grade. So each week I will record a super quick overview of the week. It's really important that you watch these videos to make sure that you are hearing all of the directions. Just make sure I will keep them to 2 or 3 minutes. Just make sure that you are watching them each week. You'll see them posted here in the updates each week. Obviously don't have it posted right now because I am recording the video right now. So the easiest way to get to what we are doing each week is to either click on the link in the update. I will give a link to the folder for the week in the update, or just come over here to materials and hit fall semester. So we've already taken care of orientation, introduction to our class. Now we are in Unit 1, Growing Reading Dispositions, and we are in Session 1. So when you get here, you're going to click on Welcome, and then you are just going to hit the Next button all the way through. I can't do that right now because the folder is still unpublished, but that is the easiest way to get all of the content. Please, 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 please do not come to your sixth grade page, look at your assignments over here, and only click on those. If you do that, you will see for most of them, so here I am clicking on an assignment. You have no directions here, none. It's because you need to go to the previous page to look at the directions for the assignment. So when you come to Session 1, remember, you're just going to click here. You're going to read through each page, and when you want to move to the next page, you're just going to come up here and hit Next. Easy as that. We do have our Wednesday Zoom meeting this week. There will be a link in the suggested pacing schedule and also in the update. So make sure that you guys are there for that. Other than that, that's about it. I hope you guys have a great week. Let me know if you need anything.